This 1965 Jaguar E-Type 4.2 in left-hand drive has had a concours restoration by JD Classics to fast road specification. Starting from the front, this car features an AP racing brake conversion, specifically engineered to fit under 15-inch competition specification wire wheels. Braided hoses were also fitted, and a competition specification blade front anti-roll bar was added. The car benefits from an upgraded JD Sport suspension with coil-over adjustable shocks which also enable ride height adjustment. The engine was completely hand-built by our renowned race department engine builders. We build the most competitive E-Types in historic racing, so we've got a good knowledge base to get the most out of these engines. For this client, the engine was built to fast road specification, as the client wanted a car that was tractable on the road and also capable of acquitting itself when on the odd track day. To this end, the car features a gas float head, fast road camshafts and also electronic ignition, which enables adjustment of the ignition advance curves should the owner plan a quick sortie on the track. The result is a reliable and powerful engine with horsepower and torque figures far in excess of the original 4.2 engine. To keep things cool, the car benefits from a JD Sport alloy upgraded radiator, high-flow water pump and an electrically controlled high-output cooling fan. Traffic conditions in 1965 were obviously very different to the road conditions of today, and now this car stays within normal operating temperature parameters even in busy modern traffic, not something a standard 1965 car would have a chance of achieving. The car also benefits from a high-capacity alternator and halogen headlights, dramatically improving visibility when driving at night. The gearbox is a JD Sports 5-speed item with bespoke ratios and a differential ratio tailored to the client's planned usage. This results in a higher top speed, greater acceleration and enhanced cruising capability compared to a standard gearbox. Additionally, the shift action and ease of use is a dramatic improvement over the original gearbox. The rear brakes were upgraded with bigger pistons, the suspension was polybushed all round, and the exhaust is a JD custom stainless steel 2-inch system with a manifold pipe for each cylinder, with noticeable enhanced efficiency. It sounds rather good too. The base car's bodywork has been restored to JD Concours winning standards, and some 3,000 hours have been spent on the restoration. Indeed, every nut, bolt and component has been restored or upgraded. The car was treated to a new leather interior with JD seats, hidden inertia seatbelts, and hood sets specific to the client's requirements. This bespoke JD Classics Jaguar has been upgraded to provide the client with the classic, beautiful looks of the original E-Type, with a driving experience which is unrivaled and improved out of all recognition from an original 1965 example. As the worldwide official Jaguar Heritage racing partner, we have an unmatched experience in producing the best and exquisitely engineered E-Types, which blend the beauty of the original design with upgraded dynamics, which are unmatched. Every JD Classics Jaguar E-Type is a bespoke creation and tailored to an owner's specific requirements. If you want the best, contact us to discuss how we can provide you with the best E-Type Jaguar ownership and driving experience available.